bugs and love muffins. It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with more of a lifestyle sort of video. So let me get out of my ratchetness and get into my soothing lifestyle voice. Okay, y'all, this video is going to be a decorate slash clean with me, although there's not going to be a whole lot of cleaning, girl, but it is going to be called a decorate slash clean with me video. And I am decorating for fall. Those of you who know me know that fall is my favorite time of year. Like, it's just something about it. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel warm and cozy and just all the things, girl. That's why I got that fireplace on, and it was probably 90 degrees outside, although it wasn't even heat. But anyways, girl, let's go ahead and get into this video after the after the intro.
Disastrous beauty, disastrous beauty, it's disastrous beauty, the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, change up your look daily. It's disastrous beauty, the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty, change up.
All right, y'all, so this is my mess of stuff, my mess of fall stuff. And there was also, oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be doing my lifestyle voice. There was also another box on the side of the stuff that you guys saw. Y'all, I really have a problem. Okay, my man was like, girl, what is really going on here? But it's just something about fall, y'all. I just get excited and I just kind of go crazy. Now right here I am just cleaning off the end tables, and I added this little leaf. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I added them on both sides. I think I got them from TJ Maxx last year. And then these pillow covers that I am putting on right here, I actually purchased these from Temu, child. Okay, super cheap. I purchased these from Temu, and a lot of things I got from Temu, TJ Maxx, and I'll kind of just try to let you guys know as I go. But all the pillow covers that you're gonna see are gonna be from Temu, so I'm gonna let you guys see that, and I'll come back in periodically to just kind of tell you where certain things are from.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, so bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, I feel it.
So right here, I'm just going to be adding my family sign that I think I got from Amazon years ago, and my favorite pumpkins. You guys know, even from the old house, I always would put these pumpkins on the mantle. And although we don't have a mantle, I'm putting it under the TV regardless, girl. Okay, regardless, I am still going to put old girl under the TV. See, that wretchedness came back. I had to go back into my lifestyle voice. Chrissy, go back into your lifestyle voice. All right, so right here, I am going to be decorating this little cube thing, and I kind of went back and forth, and you guys can maybe tell from the intro, if you didn't really pay attention to the intro, pay attention on the outro. I changed this completely up. I just couldn't decide what flowers I wanted there, what I wanted. I was all over the place. So I kind of played around with it, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of me playing around with it. But I ended up putting the Temu flowers there temporarily, because I'm gonna have some flowers that I got from Temu, as well as from the dollar spot at Target, honey. Okay, the other sisters let me know that the dollar spot at Target is where it's at. I got these vases from the dollar spot at Target. Y'all hit up the dollar spot, okay? Just hit it up. But these flowers that you guys see me putting in there, I got from Temu, and they're just like some plastic flowers that I'm gonna have to play around with and fluff them out more. That you'll see it later on my dining room table, because that's where I decided to switch it out at. And you guys see that little pumpkin pillow? I got that from TJ Maxx, and I have another pumpkin pillow that I actually got from Temu as well. So yeah, right here I'm just vacuuming, child. I ain't gonna show much of that because my vacuum looks pitiful, girl. It just looks pitiful. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and get back into the video, and then I'll come back to tell you about anything that's new, because this right here, none of this stuff is new.
I feel it, ooh. for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it.
So over here, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I didn't want to have too much color, but I didn't want it to be completely nude. So I decided, I had gotten this, I got those pumpkins from TJ Maxx because my glass pumpkins from last year broke, girl. They broke. So I got these, and then I got this little Hey Pumpkin pillow from the dollar spot. So I was like, that's gonna be my touch of color. Then I decided to add this. Honey, she's not gonna stay long, okay? I don't, once again, check the intro or the outro. You will see I switched that up later because I wasn't feeling it. And honey, here go that blue chair. I can't get rid of this blue bench to save my life, girl. I'm still trying, but for now we're gonna decorate her, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and clean off this dining room table. We are really considering getting a different dining room table. It is way too much brown in this house. It's driving me nuts. And Ron is just kind of like, just do whatever you want to do. And I haven't decided what I want to do. So we still have a lot of brown for now, including those bar stools that we will definitely be getting rid of. And he had actually got some quotes about painting the cabinets because I wanted that. But I'm like, we have way too much going on right now. Way too much. I'll do a life update soon, but it's a lot happening in our household right now. So y'all, these flowers I got from Dollar Tree. I've been a little obsessed with Dollar Tree lately. Why y'all ain't tell me I was sleeping on Dollar Tree? Girl, Dollar Tree is where it's at. Anyways, I picked up all these little flowers. This is yet another vase that is from the dollar spot. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on the dollar spot. So I put that there, and then I decided I would prefer the flowers that I have on the little cube shelf to be over here. And the table, honey, I was all over the place. I tried that runner, I ain't like it. Then I decided to try another runner, I didn't like it. And then I was like, you know what, girl, you're just gonna do these placemats and call it a day and change the flowers. So that's what I'm gonna do.
It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
All right, y'all, this cute little pumpkin soap I got from TJ Maxx, and I just could not pass old girl up. I thought it was the cutest thing, so I got that, and that's gonna be our kitchen soap. And as far as the kitchen, I was kind of just all over the place in general. I knew I wanted it to have some wood stuff, but I just didn't want to do way too much. So I got my little wood stand or whatever it's called, and added the pumpkin, and then added a candle. And you guys will see me add more candles later. The candles that, oh, I didn't even add a candle right there. The candles that I wanted were from Bath and Body Works, and they hadn't made it there yet. So I'm gonna just insert that clip with me and Journey changing the pumpkins. And this right here is just me cleaning up, and then I'm gonna change those lemons and apples out to pumpkins because it's more festive that way. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that, and then I'll come back again.
You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, get him out your mind. That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. saying goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if there was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize.
All right, y'all, this little tree that lights up, it was a little cheap thing that I found on Temu, and you guys will see that we got rid of this bar. Well, we didn't get rid of it, we have added an extra room, which is going to be / a man cave. So I've moved that and added a coffee bar. So yeah, you guys will see that once again in the outro. And now I'm kind of working outside, and really outside just changed the pillows and added a whole bunch of old stuff from every year that I just have kind of accumulated, as well as a wreath. I really did not go too crazy outside, but I did decide to get some flowers and hay, and once again that's something that you guys will see in the outro. And yeah, that is pretty much it for outside. I'll come back with me and Journey are adding our Bath and Body Works candles, girl. Okay.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
All right, y'all, so here are my soaps, and my candles finally came in. I wanted all fall scents as far as soaps, and I wanted all fall candles. So Journey is helping me. Now this right here, this does not last long because it's a kitchen towel. I have still not found any bath towels. If y'all, like bathroom towels, if y'all know anywhere I can get some cute fall bathroom towels without breaking the bank, please let your girl know. And this is my new little coffee bar, and I am really feeling it for now. It's a temporary thing. I still want to get a buffet table, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the outro because it has everything in there. And I'm just adding all my favorite fall candles here. My favorite is leaves, and in here this is pumpkin pie, something pumpkin. It's just pumpkin and waffles, I think. And then my leaves candles. But yeah, anyways, y'all, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you love bugs in the next one. Bye.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better.
All right, y'all, so this is the overall finished look. I did add a few things. As you guys can see back there, that little thing, I added pumpkins to it behind the family sign. I added those. I thought that was a cute touch. I did, as you guys can see, change the cube space and make it it fit me more, and I didn't even show you guys the little bookshelf space, or it's the little shelf space. I didn't even show you guys me doing that, but I did add some different things to that, some pumpkins to it as well. And yeah, this is the overall look. You guys see a little brown pumpkin pillow over there. That is from Temu. It's like $5. So yeah, I want you guys to just see how everything look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love doing this type of stuff. This is like really where I'm at these days. Like most of the time I have on no makeup. Most of the time my hair is not done. Most of the time your girl is in lounge clothes, and I am just cleaning and straightening up my house. And so this is, like I said, like where I'm at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Expect to see more videos like this, even if it's just like cleaning with me videos, organizing with me videos, whatever. Expect more of that than anything, like especially right now. That's just kind of where I'm at. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that button. It ain't gonna cost you a coin, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
They don't know what's there. I'm gonna try. Work till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
It's a disastrous beauty. Yes, you just came into it. The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly.